Rhett Butler from Mongabay. I'm currently headed out to a couple of potential deforestation points that were identified via Global Forest Watch. According to the Glide Alert system, these are areas of potential forest clearing in the past couple of months. I'm currently in Cusco, Peru, near the border with Madre de Dios. This area is one of the most biodiverse in all of the world. It lies at the base of the Andes, where the Amazon meets the mountains. There's a variety of ecosystems here, a huge amount of diversity across the altitudinal grading, everything from alpine grassland to cloud forest down to the rainforest. I'm going to get as close as I can to the sites and then fly the drone to get closer, so we'll see what's there. Let's see what we find. I just finished flying the drone over the suspected deforestation areas and confirmed that it is indeed deforestation. The patch size ranged from maybe a couple hectares to 10 hectares. It looked like the clearing was done mechanically. Some areas have been planted with some sort of row crops. I'll be posting the images and videos from this trip and handing the data over to our team to do further analysis and perhaps do some reporting. Thanks for watching.